Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 605. In this video I'll show you first setup of the smartphone. As you can see, the smartphone is fresh of the factory reset. It can take some time to turn on because this is the first turn on of the system, so it has to establish each setting and file. Now, firstly you have to select language and tap Start.
To enable voice broadcast, press and hold
Agree.
the volume up and down buttons
Now,
for 3 seconds
select
to
skip.
turn on talkback.
Tap OK. And now you can connect to mobile network if you've got SIM card inserted. Let's tap skip. And next you can connect your smartphone to Wi-Fi. I mean, you have to. Now, you can copy data and apps. And next you can select home screen style, navigation mode, tap finish, and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.